Hey there, Autoamatrix fam. Today we're diving into a revival that's got the car community buzzing. The all-new 2025 Plymouth Duster. Now, if you're a muscle car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates a blend of classic aesthetics with modern performance, stick around, because this car brings some serious heat. First things first, let's talk design. Plymouth took a deep dive into their archives and pulled out all the stops to capture the essence of the original Duster from the 1970s. The 2025 model has those iconic fastback lines and aggressive stance, but with a contemporary twist that makes it feel right at home on today's roads. From the front, you've got a bold, chiseled grille with a throwback emblem, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give a nod to the past while embracing the future. Around back, the wide taillights stretch across the rear, providing a modern light signature that looks absolutely menacing at night. Under the hood is where things get real exciting. The new Duster isn't just about looking fast, it's built to back up that swagger. Plymouth is offering two engine options. The base model rocks a turbocharged 3-liter V6, pushing out a respectable 400 horsepower. But for those of you craving that old-school muscle, there's the beastly 6.4-liter Hemi V8 with a monstrous 485 horsepower. And yes, they both come with a 6-speed manual transmission option, because what's a muscle car without the joy of rowing your own gears? Now, let's talk performance. Thanks to a re-engineered chassis and a modern suspension setup, the Duster handles like a dream. It's agile in the corners with enough grip to make you feel confident pushing it to its limits. Yet it retains that raw, untamed muscle car vibe that makes your heart race. The exhaust note on the V8 absolutely glorious. It's a symphony of power that roars to life with every press of the pedal. Inside the cabin, Plymouth has struck a fine balance between nostalgia and modern tech. You've got retro-inspired gauges that remind you of the car's heritage, but look a little closer, and you'll see a fully digital cluster that can be customized to show everything from navigation to performance stats. The infotainment system is a massive 12-inch touchscreen, equipped with the latest connectivity features, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you name it. But they've also included a few physical knobs and buttons, just to keep that tactile, classic car feel alive. Comfort-wise, the seats are supportive enough for those spirited drives, but cushy enough for your daily commute. And for those who care about the practical side of things, yes, the trunk space is actually decent. You could definitely make this your weekend getaway car without having to leave anything behind. Let's not forget about safety. The 2025 Duster comes with a suite of modern driver aids. We're talking adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring. Plymouth made sure you're not just having fun, but staying safe while doing it. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. What's the price tag on this bad boy? Well, Plymouth has positioned the Duster to be competitive. The base V6 starts around $45,000, while the fire-breathing V8 version will set you back closer to $60,000. For the performance and the legacy you're getting, that's a pretty sweet deal if you ask me. The big question: how does the 2025 Duster fit into the modern muscle car landscape? In an era where electric vehicles are taking over and traditional muscle cars are dwindling, the Duster is a bold statement. It's Plymouth saying, hey, we're not done yet. It's a love letter to enthusiasts who crave that visceral driving experience, that rumble of a big engine, and the thrill of commanding a car that feels alive. So, what do you guys think? Is the 2025 Plymouth Duster the revival we've been waiting for? Would you go for the V6, or are you all about that V8 life? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get the conversation going. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on the latest from Autoamatrix. Thanks for watching, and keep driving what moves you. How does that sound? Anything you'd like to tweak or add?